Why don't you guys give a chance to a YouTuber with 30 plus subscribers to give you this kind of motivation? Why not give him a one chance? Yes, my friend, you read correctly. Let's get 100,000 subscribers together in 1 year. And by together, I mean it. Trust me with your 10 minutes right now and you won't regret it, I assure you. I will be talking logically and practically answering all the questions in this video. And if you find any human error or you want to add something to it, you can do this by commenting down in the comment section. So basically we are making a prediction, assumption or a recipe for a delicious dish. In order to make this assumption or this dish, we need a kitchen. And this kitchen is going to be our math. Okay, please, don't worry. It's not going to be boring, trust me. So why math? You and I both know that for any prediction, math is essential. You can predict anything by putting in the right numbers and figures and factors. So how do you know that an electron or a proton moves with a certain velocity in an orbit around an atom? How do you know that how much speed you need to put a satellite in its orbit in the space? Simple, it's math. So fascinating, right? So let's solve this YouTube equation that I have made in order to reach a certain amount of subscribers in 1 year. The equation is simple. Y plus how plus factors is equal to number of subscribers you want, or in this case 100,000 subscribers in 1 year. Now in order to solve this equation, we are going to borrow Elon Musk's technique or Elon Musk's method. So how does this Elon Musk method apply? So in this method, Elon Musk asks fundamental questions about his problems and solves him with such a simple questions that nobody can ever imagine. Take this as an example. When Elon Musk was trying to create his first rocket, he asked himself, a rocket is made up of what? Iron, steel, and some other metals? He collected all these metals and made an affordable rocket without buying an expensive one. So let's solve the first part of our equation. Why? Ask yourself this very first question. Why do you want to reach 100k subscribers or whatever numbers are in 1 year? Well, first common and logical answer would be, of course, money. But money is only 40% true. For me, creating videos has become my passion. I'm tired of watching 100 videos in a week, so I wanted to be useful and create content that helps others. I want to learn this experience also. I don't want a regret in my life. Now second question. Ask yourself this very question from your subscriber point of view. Why should he or she give her or his precious time to your video? Or why should he even bother to watch your videos? You can think of multiple reasons in your head. My justification is that I will make every second of my viewer count and noted. I will cut the crap and provide them what they click for. You see, I ignored my introduction part as a proof of work. I will share my experiences and help them in their studies, personal development, self-improvement, and financial growth, of course. Did I sound like productivity guru? So if you like my reason, you can give me a token of appreciation by liking this video and subscribing to my channel and showing that you are a positive and optimistic person. So let's move to the second part of our YouTube equation. How? How can you get these numbers in 1 year? Well, the answer is keep it simple. Stupid. By making content that is useful for your audience, making their lives easy, add value to their lives, teach them what you know best, interact with them, and solve their problems. Share your experiences regarding a certain product that you have recently bought with your audience. You see, many YouTubers do the same. They share their experiences, which can be about mobile phones, clothes, even watches, perfumes, etc. Here's a quick advice: don't buy expensive stuff just to show your audience. And one more thing, make sure that you love this process. Don't fake it. Now comes the third part of our equation: factors affecting our YouTube subscriber numbers. As always, the number one factor is going to be gear and equipment. Okay, there is a thing. There is a monkey in our heads telling us and tricking us into thinking that without latest camera, lens, mic, and background, we are not qualified to make even a single video. And if you have the same monkey in your head, show him this Mr. Beast. You don't recognize him? He is Mr. Beast. He's just 7 years younger than right now. So now can you imagine yourself in this position right now? I just want you to know that don't compare your chapter 1 with anyone's chapter 50. You will get depressed. Trust me.
Probably be doing YouTube as a job. Hopefully. Maybe. Dude, I really hope I have 1 million subs by now. Please, future me, please. What am I doing with my hand? Please have 1 million subs. I probably should have thought about what I was going to say. Just, hey, hopefully you have 1 million subs. And,
here's a quick thing. You can compare yourself with me right now because I'm still just 30 subscribers. Now, the second factor. You have to turn the odds in your favor. You know, everyone has some privileges that others don't have. And you can actually utilize those privileges to your advantage. You just need to find those privileges. Okay, let me show you an example. Maybe you own an iPhone, a DSLR. Maybe you have a brother, cousin, or a sister who owns a DSLR or an iPhone. You can actually borrow your friend's iPhone or DSLR to shoot this YouTube video. Okay, another example, how to turn the odds into your favor. Take me as an example. You see, there's a blue light behind me. That's actually a mosquito killer. And the video you are actually watching is being filmed on an iPad, which is from 2018 generation. This audio you are hearing right now is coming from a $3 mic. Now the third factor, time. Are you willing to put in the required time and effort to create content? If yes, then you are in, my friend. Even if you are a doctor or an engineer or a student, you have to put in the required effort right now. And if your answer is yes, then welcome, my friend. Welcome to the club. Actually, you have to manage your time properly. You have to make a schedule for it. And I will be uploading future video regarding making a schedule or a routine for anything in the life. Now comes the fourth factor, which is consistency. Consistency is directly proportional to your effort. Consistency is directly proportional to the passion you have for creating new content and for uploading. Now please don't tell me at the end of this video that you don't know how to solve this YouTube equation of mine. Y plus how plus factors is equal to your number of subscribers. Thank you. So at the end of this video, if you think that I have missed some point or you know better than me, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. This is Abrar sending you off. Assalamu alaikum.